Cheers to all of us who are watching the prices right now, holding, buying the dip, DCAing our way down. How you guys feeling? Wow, like we get approved the Bitcoin ETF. Great news. Now you're watching right now live. Wall Street has entered the chat. I got a lot of different headlines ready for you guys. A lot of people are questioning, like, why in the world the price of Bitcoin is going down? It's been a retracement, a correction earlier today at 10 a.m., 3%. We were live and we were talking about it. Now we're looking more of a 5% flash crash. Everybody, you're watching with me right now how the price of Bitcoin in the 15-minute candle is going very down. You know, they're selling off Bitcoin, right? I think we're seeing a lot of different whales predicting under 40,000. I ask you, and a lot of people were like, we're going to go to $40,000 first. What are we supposed to do, Oscar? Well, first and foremost, 30% retracements in a bull market are really common. What do you mean? Well, take a look at this one. I mean, price of Bitcoin can no longer just go all the way up, it has to come down. And we are seeing that in previous cycles. We also see that total trading volume crossing billions of dollars, like holdings for BlackRock and Fidelity over $1 billion or so. Like there's these asset managers holding a lot. And I think a lot of investors holding the Bitcoin ETFs are not used to the volatility of Bitcoin, and they might be also cashing out their positions saying, I mean, all of the people who bought Bitcoin ETFs at released are down right now. So it doesn't put a good taste in your mouth when you're like, okay, aren't we supposed to go high because the news were released? This was about the rumor sell the news. After the news came down, $10,000 away from the price prediction that I think a lot of us loved and wanted. $50,000. That's it. Now we're seeing that it's just gonna take longer. Is this a bear trap? It seems that we can go lower first than higher at this moment. First, go low. First, see the main pain, the blood, the uncertainty. See where the bottom is for us. And after that, we can finally go and crush the $50,000. It doesn't seem, everybody, that we're going to be reaching 45 once again this week because it's just what it is. The bears are winning, the sellers are winning, and you're watching this live. Bitcoin becomes the second largest ETF commodity in the US, surpassing silver. There's a lot of people. Imagine panic selling to suit after holdings for so many years. Couldn't be me. You know, guys, it happens all the time. Swiss banking giant UBS says the fundamental case for Bitcoin remains weak. And they're saying we are so early, right? Bitcoin, if we do not hold 41 and a half, will we go lower? And take a look at this. We're no longer at 41 and a half. Now, why is that, everybody? Well, if we go to the 4 hours, oh, look at that. Look at that. I mean, that's that bloody red candle just today on the 18th, and it could get even worse, right? So officially, the price of Bitcoin, as you can see on the screen right now, is crashing officially. I held on myself of saying that, but yes, it's crashing now today. Now we are looking at previous, bottom prices in the price of Bitcoin. Now we're going back to December. So all 2024, we are now seeing the lowest price in the year in about 18 days, of course. So now the challenge is, can Bitcoin hold on and not pass this level, which is going to be 40,000, low 40,000, because we are, now let's go back to the 15 minutes. We are, everybody, roughly 2.3% away from that. So what do you think is going to happen? This was a correction. Now this is a crash. Let's go, everybody. Don't forget to smash the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. turn on those notification bells, because if you're holding any kind of crypto, this affects you. As we're seeing right now, the markets, we are looking at 1.64 trillion, less than 2.64% decrease over the last day. There's a lot of different cryptos that are, look at this, even Bonk and Whoa and Beam and Sue and Torchain and Psy. A lot of different cryptos that are bleeding, everybody. And it is what it is, right? So the predictions stand. It says best case scenario, 39,000. Worst case scenario, 30,000. Base case scenario, 35,000. Around 35,000. People are predicting now 35,000, but all of those, including myself, that's how you know nobody knows what in the world is going to happen, right? Because it could have been a scenario where after the Bitcoin ETF, boom, we explode. That could have been a great scenario as well, but that's not what's going on. We also see Coinbase with the SEC yesterday, right? And today, and the days to come, they are going on having conversations. And hopefully, if Coinbase wins, right, with the judge, that will help the price of crypto as a whole. It's going to be bullish, everybody. But let this be a warning. This is a major warning to all of you guys. Price might go down, much down. Look at this. So this is the weekly. We rose from $25,000 all the way to $49,000. So right now we're at $40,000. This is just, adding my RSI. We're seeing that we're getting out of the overbought section in the price of Bitcoin. And we could even go to the half of that at 48 level on the other side. That could bring us down, around mid 30s. That will be mid 30s. If we get a Fibonacci retracement from here all the way here, you're looking at mid 30s, which is going to be putting us at 61% retracement, which is typically a nice level for holders to be at. We were right here at the 20s and 38. That's bullish. But roughly, if we're going to go down, we're looking at a price roughly here on the 50% or less. Going back to the 100% retracement, I don't think so. That'll be $26,000. But with the new scenarios that we're watching, guys, and I'm just preparing you, right? I just want to make sure that you are very much prepared to face the reality if Bitcoin actually goes and creates this reality. Because, it doesn't mean that it's going to go to 35. This is just speculation. But this is what we do, guys. We prepare ourselves. We dollar cost average us in our way down. Ethereum also coming down to the price of $2,400. Lately it was high because of the Ethereum ETF speculation, similar to XRP ETF speculation. There's a lot going on, guys. The Bitcoin dominance also going down. So this is getting exciting. Have cash in hand, like I've been saying all day long, and prepare for under 40,000 Bitcoin. It seems that it's going to happen. It's going to be very weird and strange that we don't do that. So 2024 starts bloody, but after the blood, it comes the rainbow, the party, the bomb. That's when a lot of people are going to come in and start buying. $50,000 going to be broken really fast. You're being updated, everybody. Like and subscribe. Take a look at the links down below. Free, up to free 5,000 USDT on BingX. Trade your account on crypto.com and more. We'll be watching. See you next time. Peace.